If you're interested in doubling your business, we can help. Data shows that it costs a company who is in the business of installing solar panels for home about $2,500 to $4,000 to bring in a serious customer into the funnel will eventually install a solar energy system. The cost is only true if that business does active marketing. Some businesses are not actively marketing and missing out on the great opportunities, as every 84 seconds a solar power system is being installed somewhere in the United States. If you're interested in taking advantage of this gold rush and interested in doubling your business in 3 to 6 months, we would love to hear from you. I have yet to find a business owner who does not like to generate more leads and increase profit. We'll help you in providing qualified business leads, which will increase your net profit by 40 to 80% while eliminating your expensive marketing budget. The increase in profit will depend on your work ethic and motivation. You set your goal and we help you achieve it. If you're willing to work hard and put the time to be successful, we want you as our business partner. What do we do for you? We pre-qualify each and every lead. We educate, prospect for 3 to 6 months, and only when they are 100% convinced that solar panel installation is the right choice for them, we send them to you. We don't apply any high pressure sales tactics, as we are dealing with intelligent people who are smart enough to analyze all the benefits and make sound financial and rational decisions for their family. We don't want our partners to use any high pressure sales tactics either. The pre-qualified lead we send over should have already been educated on the solar energy adoption benefits. We would like you to answer last minute questions and take it from there. If the pre-qualified customer is not ready to install solar energy system in their home or their businesses, that will be their decision to make. We respect that decision. Are you ready to make some serious money and change the landscape of solar energy industry in your area? If you are, then join us. We are going to make America energy independent, and we want you to be part of that revolution. Fill out the information below and join the solar energy revolution. Make some serious money and realize your financial dreams. Thank you.